What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here at my channel at TB Finance. Thank you for tuning in once again. In today's video, I'm going to be going over Solana, ticker symbol SOL. And for those of you who don't know, it's one of the blue chip type cryptocurrencies currently in the market. And as you guys can see, it has seen a pretty severe pullback from the all-time high of about $260 down to its current price of $127.93. If you guys saw my last videos, you can see I had all these support and resistance lines previously drawn in, and they actually did hold pretty true. I drew this first one in when Solana was right up here at about $196-ish or so. You can see since then it bounced off the support level, came back up, held it, bounced off this support level, came back up, got rejected off of this one, and is currently breaking below this 120, 130-ish support level at the moment. And if we do see a break below that, I do think we will pull back down to about 116 at the very lowest. I think now is a screaming buy for Solana, guys. I'm going to be talking about that here in just a moment. You can see it as the title of this article states, Solana could become the Visa of digital asset world, stated by Bank of America. They've been very bullish on Solana, and like this article states, I do think they will snag a ton of the market share from Ethereum over time. I think Ethereum is a little bit outdated until that Ethereum 3.0 does roll out. I think Solana has them beat. I think Solana will continue to have them beat. They have very minimal gas fees. If we take a look right here, you can see this compares Solana versus Ethereum versus Cardano. I'm not going to be talking about Cardano in this video, but you can see the transactions per second for Solana is 65,000, where Ethereum is just 15. The average fee per transaction, which is the main component in my opinion, is $15 on average for Ethereum. If any of you guys have ever bought NFTs or flipped them or done anything like that, you know that these Ethereum gas fees can be absolutely outrageous. Sometimes the Ethereum gas fees can be more than what you're actually trying to buy or transfer or whatever the case may be. And this fee does increase based on the demand on the Ethereum network, whereas Solana has less than 1 penny of an average fee per transaction. This number, this value doesn't increase based on like the congestion or anything like that. The latency, transaction latency right here, you can see is 0.4 seconds, whereas Ethereum is 5 minutes. Number of validators is 702, where Ethereum does have 11,000 plus, and the total transactions to date is 15 billion, whereas Ethereum is just 1.07 billion. So Solana basically has them beat in every category. They're just kind of, I don't want to say newer, but they're kind of just less known than Ethereum. Ethereum has kind of always been the main thing that everything is built on, but you can see over here some more things and some more of these new emerging projects and things like that, especially NFTs, are being built on the Solana network and blockchain. I think that's going to be absolutely huge going forward. Nobody's going to want to pay all these massive gas fees with Ethereum on these Ethereum-based networks. Everybody's going to want to avoid the gas fees altogether, basically, by using Solana and choosing Solana-based networks. And this article right here, guys, did come out yesterday, January 19th. You can see it's titled Solana NFT Total Sales Volume Crosses 1 billion. I think that's a huge milestone. They are taking away some of that market share and becoming more of a competitor to Ethereum and sites like OpenSea, which rely heavily on Ethereum-based networks. Then lastly, if we take a look over here at this chart, you can see this is Ethereum, this darkish black purple color. They still obviously dominate all of the transactions compared to this light green for Solana. But like I said, I do think now is the time to buy Solana. Not only are they a great investment, but they are on a pretty healthy dip down from their all-time highs. Personally, guys, I'm a buyer right here. I did purchase a few more coins alone on myself today. I do think that we will see a rebound in the entire crypto market as a whole in the next couple days or weeks. And I am looking to see a move like this if we do bounce off of this and retest this level at about $168, $170 and eventually go back up to a new all-time high above this $260 price per coin. If we take a look at these indicators really quickly, you can see this RSI indicator is indicating that they are oversold and sitting at 31.12 here on this 1-day time frame, as well as this MACD indicator is indicating that they are in the kind of a downwards trend, obviously, as you can see correlated on this chart. But I do think we will get out of that. Like I said, I do think we will have a nice bounce back up. I do think that this is the dip to buy as we create potential new all-time highs in the coming weeks and the coming months. But with that said, guys, Solana is a great buy. I will kind of react to this video and post an update video probably in a few weeks, seeing what the current price of Solana is. But with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. And I do want to close with saying that I do have a Discord channel where you could join. You could follow our plays, our buys, and our sells. And I'm going to show you this here in just a second. I actually will have the link to this server in the description. It's called Wolfpack Capital LLC, and I am the owner of that right here. We do have a premium section and things like that, so be sure to check that out if you haven't already. But with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.